Start. Hello everyone, my name is Ayush and today our topic of presentation is application development. Before going to the topic, I just want to feel the gratitude that Anand sir gave us that a golden opportunity to present something like this in front of you. This is a very grateful opportunity for me, and also we know that WEBGURU Computer Sciences is the best institute in Chapra, and it provides many courses like ethical hacking, web development, application development, and much more. You can learn the programming language, and it's best institute to give a start to any programming language that we want to learn and go into the computer sciences. So let's come in the topic, that is application development, and see. When we hear the word application development, the first thing in our mind is development. Although we are very useful to the word development, and we are very frequent to the word development because we are we are listening this word from since childhood. Developing India is a developing country, like this statement we are used to listen this statements. So development is nothing but it is progressing day by day in any field, you can say that. So it is development. And when it comes to the application development means that developing an application. So application development, also known as app development, refer to the process of creating software application that runs on the various platforms such as mobile devices, desktop, computer, or the web. It involves designing, coding, testing, and deploying application to meet specific user need and solve real-world problem. As we can see that in the definition, it helps in the solving the real life problems, because if you think about just a few years back, when we don't have something app like a calculator and things like that, then we'll have to calculate very big number or operations with many much more time, and it is not that efficient that a calculator calculate the operation and the result is that efficient. So of course we know that application like calculator saves our time, efficiency, and we doesn't have to go to the very brilliant mathematician to calculate some operation, because we have calculator right now. We can do